What did you do? What did you do? You got something to say? You want to say something? Are you just chilling with Daddy? Yeah. Oh, what you doing? What did you? You got something to say? Oh no, you went out. Oh, it's mommy time. Mommy cuddle time. Before anybody sees my awful mug, I'm gonna get the hell out of here. Got me a veggie salad Subway, no meat, no ranch. It was lettuce, spinach, and onion. Listen, I'm out of the drive-thru. I'm just gonna drive around for a minute so I can listen to this fucking song. Oh, I feel it coming. Me starting. Our shoes. I need to pay attention to what I'm doing. I'm gonna die. I'm freezing right now, but we're getting a new truck. So.
My old silver truck. You little great to us.
I'll get a new one in a minute. Delivered right to our door.
It's here. It's here. It's here.
Yay! Yay! There it is. Oh, it's pretty. It is pretty. She didn't see me. I wasn't recording. She drove by. She's lost. She didn't see me outside, like, looking like a weirdo videotaping her, so. Yay! Yay! She's probably wondering, why the hell is this bee taping me? What? Tamir! We got a new truck. Do you want to see it out the window? Oh, there's It's staying. Chloe! Staying! There it goes. Bye-bye, truck. Bye-bye, truck. We're gonna miss you. Bye-bye, truck. Bye-bye. I might be a little sad about seeing that truck go bye-bye. I think I might shed a tear.
Really?
Bye. Oh. Gone forever. Hello, beautiful truck. What do we have here? What do we? Ooh, bigger screen, leather seats.
Get out.
Cameras!
Oh my God, why is that rock right there?
Holy smokes! What? That's for our driveway. They're waiting for us to move.
Why is it dumping in the middle of the road though?
I don't know. We also got a sunroof. Leather seats. I am in love with this truck. It is... I don't have the words for it. Okay, I don't even have words for how cool this truck is. Although I almost cried when I saw our truck driving down the hill and past the house and I couldn't see it anymore. And I knew it was the last time I was ever going to see it again. And I'm getting really sentimental about a truck, but I really miss it. On that note, I have about 12 videos that I need to edit and upload, so I need to get on that. Plus I have a paper due for school today. Thank God all I have to do for this final assignment was get my rough draft from week 3. I have 5 weeks in a course from week 3, and then revise it and turn it in with all of the things that my advisors told me to fix. Right. He's like an old man. Look at his foot.
When they get older, we got to get a picture of them just like this.
So I got out of my car earlier when I got home, and I noticed this, and I thought it was just a shadow. Nope, that, okay, is not in focus. That is gravel dust. It's not shadowed or anything. That is the actual color. I think it looks pretty sweet. I have a cold.